What y'all gang, it's JV here, back with another reaction, man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Yo, so today we got a Nas Core video, man. We got I pulled up to the trenches of Baltimore and shut it down, man. 1v1 free smoke tour. What? Nas going on tour? Okay, Nas. Let's see what you got, man. Yeah. But listen, y'all, if you haven't already, like and subscribe for me, man. Do me that favor. We going to the top and we is not stopping, man. I'ma say it till I can't say it no more. But other than that, let's get into it. So before the game, oh, he talking scoop. So I guess that's who Nas is playing, the boy on the bottom. Oh nah, I don't want to see. I don't want to see no talking. We just want to get right into the game, man. Right, should be good. Right here. I guess they just shot for first ball, and Nas got first ball. Off the rip. Okay, Nas, off the rip. That's a bad sight for the other boy, bro. If Nas is making those. Sheesh. Damn, Nas. Oh my gosh. Bro, you gotta chill out on the bull, bro. The boy, he like, I'm pretty sure he like an old head, bro. Chill out on him, dog. That's good defense. Good defense. It's good defense. Yo, alright, I guess the other boy name is Cat, so Cat, bro. Don't let him do this to you, bro. Don't let him get you up out of your own hood, bro. Come on, man. Good defense. Good defense. Damn, bro, he can't even drive, dog. 2-0 right now, yo. Nas is up. That was a quick 2. Good defense, Nas. Good defense. He didn't fully bite on the fake. He was actually he was able to get back and get a hand up. Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Nah. Oh my gosh. With the spin back and then the lefty layup. Oh my goodness. Nas is out here wilding, bro. Bro, you can't let him do this to you in your house, bro. You can't let him come into your house and do this, bro. 3-0 right now. Nas is up. Nas is up. Come on, Cat. Good defense. Good defense. 3-0 right now. Come on, Cat, bro. You gotta make one. You make one that'll get you some momentum, man. Come on. Don't go out like this. Damn, bruh. Damn. Still 3-0. Nas is up. Good foul. It's a good foul. It's a good foul. It's a good foul. I won't lie. But Nas is still up 3-0. Bro, if he making those, bro, he ain't gonna stop him. It's gonna be a wrap. It's 4-0. It's 4-0. Bruh. Nas, bro. Have some respect for your elders, bro. What are you doing out here? Have some respect for your elders, Nas. Come on, man. They whooping this boy. Bro. Yo, K, you better call the timeout, bro. Call a timeout, dog. It's getting bad. It's 5-0. Damn, he's stepping all on her. Damn. He stepped all over her feet. That's funny as hell. Yeah, he holding him, bro. He holding him. You can't hold him, bro. You gotta. I know he big and he's strong as hell, but you can't hold him, bro. 5-0. Good defense. I thought that was good defense, man. He probably did foul him, but I thought it was good defense. 5-0, yo, 5-0. Yeah, that was a good timeout, Cat. That was a good timeout, homeboy. That was a good timeout, bro. Give you a chance to regroup, bro. You need to stop. Bro, that up and under? That up and under, dog? Come on, man. This boy Nas is tough as hell. How you supposed to stop him, bro? Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Nah, Nas, I know you didn't, bro. Ain't no way. I know you didn't just do this to this boy, bro. Why you do your Donis has him like this, bro? Why you do you Donis have him like this, bro? Come on, man. Oh, my goodness. Bruh. Nah, man. This is crazy, bruh. He burnt with the trap, my nigga. He took over that nigga crib, bro. That nigga, bro, he ran you out your own crib, my nigga. He skunked you, my nigga. It stink right now. It stink right now, bro. Bruh, I ain't think you was gonna get beat that bad. You supposed to do something though, bro. Listen, man, this was crazy. I never thought Nas was gonna skunk this boy, man. Well, man. Well, listen, man. Like I said, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all later, man. Deuces, y'all. I'm out.